Hello and welcome. I'm Shabs, your travel guide. Get ready for an amazing food adventure through Qatar's hidden gems.
Right then, hello, and welcome to a journey deep into the heart of Qatar's culinary scene. Forget the flashy, Michelin-starred nonsense you see in all the glossy magazines. Today, we're going off the grid. We're on a mission, a proper expedition to uncover the real flavor of this incredible country. I'm talking about the places whispered about in back alleys, the spots that the locals, the real food lovers, try to keep all to themselves. These aren't just restaurants, they're institutions, family secrets passed down through generations, serving food with soul, passion, and uncompromising authenticity. I've scoured the streets, I've listened to the whispers, and let me tell you, what I've found is absolutely stunning. We're talking about flavors so bold, so intense, they'll wake up every single taste bud you've got. These are the hidden gems that even some people who've lived here their entire lives have walked right past without a second glance. It's a culinary travesty, but not today. Today, we're pulling back the curtain and giving these culinary heroes the spotlight they bloody well deserve. So get your notepad ready, unbuckle your belt, because I promise you by the end of this video, you won't just be hungry, you'll be desperate. Desperate to book a flight, jump in a taxi, and experience these incredible, mind-blowing flavors for yourself. This isn't just a food tour, it's an education in taste. Let's get started, shall we? Don't fall behind. Our first stop is a place that is the very definition of a hidden gem. Tucked away in the labyrinthine alleys of Souk Waqif, you'll find Al Jazra Traditional Food House. Now, from the outside, it's unassuming, humble. You could walk past it 100 times, but step inside and you're immediately transported. It's not a restaurant, it's like walking into a Qatari grandmother's home. The aroma hits you first, cardamom, saffron, slow-cooked lamb. It's the smell of history, of tradition. The women running this place aren't chefs, they're custodians of culture, cooking with recipes that have been in their families for generations. It's honest, it's pure, and it's absolutely bloody brilliant. Here, it's all about authenticity. Forget your foams and your gels. We're talking about dishes like majbouz, the king of Qatari cuisine. The rice is fluffy, fragrant, every grain infused with spice, and the meat, whether it's lamb or chicken, is so tender it falls apart if you just look at it. And the saluna, a beautiful hearty stew that sings with vegetables and a rich, deep broth. Each dish is a masterpiece of slow cooking and flavor balancing. This isn't fast food, this is soul food. It's a taste of the real Qatar served with heart, passion, and a level of care you just don't find anywhere else. Stunning. Right, next up, we're looking at something that is the lifeblood of Doha. It's not fancy, it's not complicated, but my God, is it important? I'm talking about Chapati and Karak. This isn't one specific location, it's an institution, a phenomenon. The one in Qatar, a cultural village, is iconic. It's hidden in plain sight. You'll see lines of cars and people waiting patiently. The fuss, my friends, is about two simple things done with absolute perfection. Chapati and Karak. First, the Karak. This isn't your sad, watery cup of tea. No. This is a strong brew, boiled with evaporated milk, infused with a secret blend of spices, usually cardamom, sometimes saffron or ginger. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's potent, and it's utterly addictive. It's a hug in a mug. Then the chapati, hands expertly flipping chapati on a hot griddle, cooked to order on a hot tava. It comes out puffed, slightly chewy, and ridiculously delicious. You can have it plain, or the classic move, with cheese. The combination of the sweet, spicy tea and the warm, savory bread is just a masterstroke of simplicity. It's comfort food at its absolute finest. Now for something completely different. We're diving into the rich, complex world of Yemeni cuisine at a place called Bandar Aiden. This is a spot that those in the know, the real food explorers, swear by. It's not on the main drag, you have to seek it out, but when you find it, you're rewarded with a feast that will blow your mind. The moment you walk in, the smell of the tandoor, or taboon as they call it, hits you. It's an earthy aroma that promises something special. It's a smoky aroma that promises something special. The atmosphere is buzzing, full of families, groups sharing huge platters of food. This is communal eating at its best, a proper celebration of flavor and togetherness. The star of the show here is, without a doubt, the mandi. It's a dish of such incredible depth and technique. The meat, either lamb, is slow cooked in a special underground oven, a tandoor pit, until it is unbelievably succulent and tender. The meat or chicken is slow cooked in a special underground oven, a tandoor pit, until it is unbelievably succulent and tender. It's seasoned with a complex spice blend called Hawaii, and the meat is served on a mountain of fragrant, long-grain rice that has been cooked with the meat drippings. The flavor is just, wow, smoky, spicy, savory. And you must try the salta, Yemen's national dish, a bubbling, hot stew served in a stone pot. It's a volcanic, delicious mess that you scoop up with fresh, hot bread. It's an experience, not just a meal. Sometimes the best food comes from the most unassuming places. Case in point, Turkey Central. Forget your preconceptions. This place isn't about glamour, it's about one thing: delivering delicious, authentic, ridiculously well-priced Turkish food. It's loud, it's chaotic, it's always packed. You'll see skewers of meat glistening over hot coals, the sound of sizzling smoke and spices filling the air. This is a working restaurant, a machine dedicated to grilling perfection. Don't come for a quiet romantic dinner. Come to eat. You have to order the mixed grill. It's not a suggestion, it's a command. Huge mixed grill platter loaded with meat and bread, tender lamb chops, juicy shish tawuk, flavor-packed Adana kebabs, delicate chicken wings, mountain of fresh bread, grilled vegetables, hummus, mutabal. The quality you get for the price is staggering. Honest-to-goodness cooking that respects the ingredients. A masterclass in the art of the grill. Absolutely superb. For our final stop, we're heading back to Souk Waqif for a breakfast experience that is truly unique. This is Shay Al Shamoose, a tiny restaurant run by a legendary Qatari woman, Shams Al-Kasabi. She is a pioneer, one of the first women to open a business in the souk, and she is the heart and soul of this place. She greets every customer, she oversees every dish, and her passion is infectious. This isn't just a place to eat, it's a place to experience true Qatari hospitality. It's small, it's always busy, and getting a table feels like winning the lottery. But trust me, it is worth the wait. The menu is simple, focusing on traditional Qatari breakfast dishes that you won't find anywhere else. The absolute must-try is the rogag. It's a paper-thin, crispy bread, cooked fresh to order and filled with your choice of ingredients. The classic is egg cheese. The bread shatters as you bite into it, giving way to the soft, savory filling. It's a textural masterpiece. And you have to pair it with her famous karak, which is strong, sweet, and spiced to perfection. Another star is the baida tomat, eggs scrambled with tomato spices and a little bit of magic. It's simple, rustic, and utterly delicious. This is breakfast with soul, cooked by a true culinary icon. So there you have it. 5 incredible, authentic, and absolutely delicious hidden gems scattered across Qatar. Traditional Qatari stews, the perfect cup of Karak, mind-blowing Yemeni mandi, world-class Turkish grills, a breakfast cooked by a living legend. This is the real taste of Qatar, away from the glitz and the glamour. It's food made with passion and history, a commitment to flavor that is simply breathtaking. This is what getting off the beaten path is all about, discovering unforgettable meals that become stories. But this is just the beginning. I know for a fact that there are hundreds more places like this out there waiting to be discovered, and that's where you come in. I want to hear from you. Get down in the comments section right now and tell me, have you been to any of these spots? What did you think? More importantly, what did I miss? Share your own secret food spots, your hidden gems, your go-to places for a phenomenal meal. Let's build a map for every food lover out there. Don't be shy, share the knowledge. And of course, if you enjoyed this culinary adventure and you're hungry for more, then do me a favor. Hit that like button, give it a good whack. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next journey into the world of incredible food. There's so much more to explore and I want you right there with me. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring. Cheers.
If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures with me, Shabs.